And those gentlemen who belong specially to a particular party, one of their representatives yesterday said and made remarks about women which need to be condemned by every public representative in Karnataka. If you truly believe in the cause of women, first stand here and denounce that legislator who says that if you are raped as a woman in this country, you should enjoy it. Those men who stand in this well today, go back to your political organization and first bring to justice such a man, and then we will see who speaks for women and children in this country. गरीब परिवारों की बहनों को हम उनकी प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान 5,000 रुपए सीधा उनके बैंक के खाते में देते हैं। 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा बहनों को 8,000 करोड़ तक का लाभ मात्र और मात्र एक स्कीम के अंतर्गत हुआ है। आंगनवाड़ी प्रांगणों में महिला और बाल विकास मंत्रालय को 20,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा का भारत सरकार की ओर से व्यय प्रदेश की सरकारों के प्रति हुआ है। It is with a sense of regret though, I must here appeal to every member who is in the well of the house, trying to dissuade a conversation on a national issue like nutrition, like to bring to the attention of the honorable member that to avoid the spread of the pandemic, Anganwadis across the country did not operate in order to protect women and children. However, we ensured in collaboration with state governments that every 15 days, ration that was to be accrued additionally to these women and children was delivered to their doorstep. One must recognize that the Integrated Child Development Scheme and the Poshan Abhiyan are two distinct schemes. The Poshan Abhiyan, Honorable Speaker Sir, is directed towards creating a Jan Andolan with regards to nutrition. I would here like to highlight to the Honorable Member that under the Poshan Abhiyan, smartphones have been now procured. 11.5 lakhs by Anganwadis across the country. Poshan Tracker pronounced by the Government of India. A digital solution now tracks 9 crore beneficiaries, including 7.5 crore children. Our endeavor is to ensure all health solutions are given to these children and women in the care of the Anganwadi services and system. Charges that have been The charges that have been pronounced by the honorable member in this house are very grave in nature, sir. While it is the privilege of the honorable member of parliament that all government schemes are implemented within protocols and limits of the law, are implemented in the best of spirits, what the honorable member espouses about the state of affairs in his home state is a cause of great concern for me as minister. That the honorable member of parliament is aggrieved with the fact that adulteration was caught by him and associated organization within the state that he represents. I will, sir, take the aggrievement of the honorable member and convey it to the state government, because it is the state government which is constitutionally and administratively responsible for the implementation of the project. However, through you, sir, I will appeal to every member of parliament that the Ministry of Women and Child Development on the 13th of January has given a notification to every state government as to how the ICDS and Poshan systems need to be implemented, which includes checking of food in FSSAI and NABL accredited labs. It directs state governments to procure keeping in mind GFR and CVC rules. If any state government is found in violation of the rules, appropriate action will be taken by the ministry. Sir, the data that we deal with within the Poshan Tracker to maintain the privacy of women and children in our country, and especially minor children whose data should not be publicly made available, is an issue which is close to my heart. My pledge is to honor the privacy of women and children who are serviced by the Government of India in collaboration with state governments across the Anganwadi systems in the country. However, regrettably, sir, I must here highlight to the honourable member that the number that she prescribes for the formulation of the Poshan tracker is a wrong number. I believe this statement has been pronounced by certain organizations and vested interest parties with regards to the Poshan tracker, which seeks to bring about transparency. My appeal through you, sir, to the honourable member is this: technology begets transparency. Every member of parliament should support the government's endeavour to bring about transparency and protect the privacy of our children and lactating and pregnant women.
सर, ये अगर प्रश्न काल चल रहा है और ये लोग इतना हंगामा कर रहे हैं तो हमारे मौलिक अधिकारों का हनन हो रहा है। और माननीय मंत्री जी से मैं एक पूछना चाहता हूं कि गरीब और पिछड़े और दलित और अकलियतों में बहुत गरीब जो लोग हैं, उनके लिए क्या सरकार कोई ऐसा प्रोविजन कर रही है जो जिले और तहसील स्तर पर ले जा करके उन लोगों को जागरूक करा जा सके और जिससे उनको एक्चुअल में फायदा नीचे तक पहुंच सके जमीनी हकीकत में? तो मंत्री जी ये बताने की कृपा करें।
माननीय सदस्य ने जो प्रश्न किया वो एक ओवरआर्चिंग प्रश्न है, मात्र मेरे मंत्रालय से संबंधित नहीं है। लेकिन मैं माननीय सदस्य को आपके माध्यम से बताना चाहती हूं कि आंगनवाड़ी सिस्टम्स में पोषण ट्रैकर के माध्यम से जो 9 करोड़ लाभार्थी बच्चे और महिलाएं हैं वो गरीब परिवारों के हैं, संपन्न परिवारों के नहीं है। इसलिए भारत सरकार गरीब परिवारों की, हमारी बहनों का, भारत सरकार गरीब परिवारों के बच्चों का संरक्षण किस प्रकार से प्रदेश की सरकारों के साथ कर रही है वो पोषण ट्रैकर पर प्रतिबिंबित होता है। साथ ही कहना चाहती हूँ महोदय कि प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना के तहत गरीब परिवारों की बहनों को हम उनकी प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान 5,000 रुपए सीधा उनके बैंक के खाते में देते हैं। 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा बहनों को 8,000 करोड़ तक का लाभ मात्र और मात्र एक स्कीम के अंतर्गत हुआ है। आंगनवाड़ी प्रांगणों में महिला और बाल विकास मंत्रालय को 20,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा का भारत सरकार की ओर से व्यय प्रदेश की सरकारों के प्रति हुआ है, जो मात्र और मात्र गरीब परिवारों की बहनें, बेटियां और बच्चों को समर्पित है।
जगदम्बिका पाल जी।
Thank you very much. I would like to ask a supplementary question through you, Honorable Minister. May kindly brief because aspirational districts, even 8 districts in UP, and one of the most ingredient for malnutrition is under child protection. Already, Minister in reply through National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. So what is the number of Siddharthnagar and Balrampur Shravasti? अगर ये है तो इस सर्वे के बाद जो संख्या आई है उनके लिए सरकार क्या उपाय कर रही है, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Sir, as I stand today to answer through you the honourable member's query, I am blocked by certain gentlemen who have placards in their hands. If they truly believe in servicing the needs of poor women and children in our country, my request to them is to ensure that I speak for the women and children of this country to hear how dedicated member of parliaments would wish to discuss issues pertaining to them. And those gentlemen who belong specially to a particular party, one of their representatives yesterday said and made remarks about women which need to be condemned by every public representative in Karnataka. If you truly believe in the cause of women, first stand here and denounce that legislator who says that if you are raped as a woman in this country, you should enjoy it. Those men who stand in this well today, go back to your political organization and first bring to justice such a man and then we will see who speaks for women and children in this country. Insofar as Jagdambika Palji's question about aspirational districts, sir, I must here highlight that Saksham Anganwadi, a special initiative of the Ministry of Women and Child Development, will look at bettering infrastructure for aspirational districts and Anganwadi services within them. This involves the districts that has just been enunciated by the Honourable Member.